Welcome to another data recovery video. This time I'm working on a My Passport for Mac that's been mailed in for data recovery because it's not working. These portable WD hard drives are quite common. This one's a USB 3, and if we open it up, inside we can see a 4 terabyte hard drive. And this model number is WD40NDZW. The manufacture date is February 2020, so it's lasted 5-6 years. The customer said when they plug it in, it's not detected in Windows Disk Management or Disk Utility on a Mac. There's two common problems I see with the 4 terabyte Western Digital hard drive, and that's either they're making a clicking sound, or you plug them in and they spin up and they keep spinning and they sound okay, but they're not detecting on any computer. My test software can detect the full ID, the 4 terabyte capacity, but it says there's 424 bad sectors and it can't read any user data. Because this one's not detecting, I'm going to modify this USB PCB so I can interact with it via a SATA cable. That's going to give me better diagnostics. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I am a professional data recovery engineer with over 20 years experience. And people mail in faulty hard drives, and it's my job to get the data back. So what we're doing now is we're setting up our solder points so we can solder in this SATA adapter to our USB PCB. My last wire just broke off. There we go. Now these wires do have to be the same. They're a differential pair. And when I say same, I mean same everything. Same length, same direction. They can't interfere with anything. SATA mode is working, but it still won't respond. I'm reprogramming this PCB to enable a debugging mode. This drive is very sick. It's still bricking. I've only got about 50% response from it. I'm just going to check a part of the firmware called the Level 2 translator. Sometimes that can cause a problem, but this one's okay. The Mac file system isn't working and I can barely load any of the files or folders. I'm going to try changing the read mode from logical block addressing to physical block addressing, and there you go. I've now got access to all the customers' files and folders and I've successfully recovered their data. If your Western Digital hard drive isn't working, leave a comment and tell me what's wrong with it. And if you need data recovery, you can visit us at zeroalpha.com.au and we will get your data back at the lowest price. You can drop off or mail in from any location, including worldwide.